So the surf has been good the last couple of days. I'm hoping it'll be good today as well. And I'm gonna run down there and check it out. I'd also like to use this video as an opportunity to thank my roommate whose wetsuit and surfboard I'm currently using. He's also like hooked me up with all sorts of things, including a place to stay ever since the mishap with the sailboat.
Is this your boat?
Yeah. No. It's important to know that I am not a good surfer. Matter of fact, I am a horrible surfer. You're pretty much going to be watching my failure, which is something I've become rather good at documenting.